Event planning tips and ideas number 2. This is crucial. You as an event planner need to know how you're going to be graded. What is the committee, your boss, your supervisor, what are they going to grade you on? Is it the feedback forms? Is it the Survey Monkey feedback form that comes in that half the people might not even do or fill out, or maybe most of them won't? But you need to know, is it the words, the feeling? Is it what your supervisor thinks? Remember, the supervisor, the person who put you in charge, they're your true client. The people who will be at your event, they're really not the people that you're serving. So you've got to go to the person who brought you in and put you in that place of responsibility, which is an awesome responsibility, and you've got to ask them, how will I be graded? How will you know if this is a successful event? How, great question by the way, how can this be your favorite event? What can I do to create that? Just taking the time to ask those questions and take copious notes, because you're going to be able to come back to this later. And as you go through your event, when you make adjustments, you're going to want to go back to this form that you filled out based on what they told you to know how to make better decisions along the way when the pressure is on. That's when it matters. The more planning you do, the smoother the event and the quicker you can adjust in the moment.